Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by inspecting the Panda Dunks laces for fray or a snapped core. This tells you if you need full replacement. Once done, pull the lace completely out and set the shoes aside so you can match length and color. Prepare waxed flat replacement laces cut to the original length. Make sure the ends are even. You'll also have heat shrink tubing ready for clean aglets. This first step prevents repeated failure and sets a durable baseline for the fix. Now you relace using the original crisscross pattern so tension distributes evenly. This matters because improper routing stresses a single point. Once threaded halfway, slide 5 to 2 cm of heat shrink tubing onto each exposed lace end to form new aglets. If tips are frayed, briefly melt fibers with a lighter to control the ends before inserting tubing. Be careful and keep short bursts. After seating tubing, shrink it with the lighter until snug. This locks fibers and prevents future fray. Finish by trimming any excess tubing flush and test the lace by pulling firmly to ensure the aglet holds. If it slips, repeat the shrink step. Tie a secure double knot or lace lock to stop heel slip. This reduces stress on the aglet and lace body. If you still see movement or breakage, switch to a thicker 3 mm wax lace. Sometimes thin laces fail under repeated torque. One key troubleshooting tip: if tubing won't adhere, remelt the lace tip slightly and reseat tubing before shrinking.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.